If y'all are like me, you don't have a whole lot of time to make dinner, and especially during the holidays, you don't have a lot of time because you're out shopping and getting together with family. So I'm going to share with you 3 easy, stupid easy casserole recipes. They're not even recipes, they're just something you can throw together in no time and get dinner on the table for your family. So I'm going to share with you our top three easy recipes to get on the table in less than 30 minutes. This is a potato bake. Just cook your potatoes. I've got some ranch dressing. I've got some chicken, but you could also use steak and some bacon bits. And I also shredded up some cheese. I'm using pepper jack, but you can use any kind of cheese. Mix together your potatoes and your chicken with the ranch dressing. I had forgot to put in the chicken, so I put that in the bacon dish, and then I added the chicken to the leftover ranch and put that in there and just mixed it together in the pan. That is just fine. And I baked it for a few minutes to get it nice and warm, and then I added in some cheese and some bacon bits, and then I baked it for just a few more minutes until the cheese was melted. You could also top that with some chives or green onions, and this is a delicious meal. Came together really easy. I just topped it with some ranch dressing and made some broccoli. This is our top #1 family favorite of all time, I think, and the grandkids even love this. It is just chicken, or you could use beef. I put in some salsa and some taco seasoning, mix that together and heat it through. Then I took a crescent roll and baked it for just a few minutes so it wouldn't get soggy. Then you're going to add your chicken mixture and spoon that over the top of the crescent dough. And then you're just going to add cheese to it, and then you'll put it in the oven. Like I said, this is stupid easy, but so much easier than making tacos. And you could also freeze this. Just put your cheese on there and freeze it, and then bring it out when you're really busy during the holidays. So I'm going to bake this until the cheese and the chicken is hot. And then we're going to top it with our favorite toppings. I've got cilantro, I've got lettuce and cheese, some avocado. I topped it with some sour cream and some salsa, and that was it. Dinner was on the table in less than 30 minutes, and it's one of the best dishes you'll ever have, I promise. So this last one is just some pasta. I'm using some shells, but you could use any kind of pasta. I'm using some Parmesan cheese, some whipped cream cheese, or you could just use the regular. Just let it get softened. Adding in some spaghetti sauce, and I browned some ground beef with some onions. So I'm going to mix that cheese and Italian seasoning with an egg and mix that together. I've got my pasta ready, so we're going to go ahead and assemble everything in my 9x13. I started to put that cheese mixture just on the top, but I decided to just mix that in. So I mixed that cheese mixture in well with the pasta and the sauce and the ground beef. And now I'm going to top it with the cheese. And you could also just top it with the cheese and then put that in the freezer and then bring it out maybe during the Christmas season. So I'm just going to bake this until it's nice and hot and bubbly. And like I said, these are such stupid easy casserole recipes. They're not even recipes. Just mix together your favorites and put it in your casserole dish and bake it in the oven. These were all so good, and they helped me so much during the holidays get dinner on the table in just a few minutes. So I hope y'all enjoyed these recipes, and I hope y'all have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see y'all in the next video.